Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The system is susceptible to underground leaks and can be damaged by lawn mowers hitting the sprinkler heads. And it requires ongoing maintenance, such as blowing out the water in the lines in the fall to prevent the pipes from freezing and cracking in the winter. But for some people, a sprinkler system is worth it.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
About 20 years. Generally speaking, the life expectancy of a sprinkler system is about 20 years, on average. As for its components taken separately, good quality heads will last you anywhere between 10 to 15 years, while inexpensive ones will only be good for 2 or 3 years.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Convenience. A sprinkler system adds value to a home because it offers time-saving and energy-efficient lawn maintenance. According to freshhome.com, an irrigation system that works properly and covers the full yard can add value. Proper maintenance and upkeep of a sprinkler system contribute to its added value.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Believe it or not, the best time to actually get a sprinkler installation is the fall. There's no worst time to do it, but if you want to not have any worries about your lawn come springtime, it could be beneficial to invest in a new irrigation system right now.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.